Hey everybody, I want to share with you a new product I just got. This is from Wooden House. This is a beautiful wooden spatula. So I'm just taking it open here for the first time today. A beautiful handmade spatula for everyday cooking from Wooden House right here. Let's take a look at the beautiful spatula. Now this was a gifted product, so in exchange for my product review, so this is a sponsored video. Alright, a nice wooden spatula. Alright, so this is a wooden spatula for cooking, 12-inch, easy to clean, long-lasting, and sturdy. Here's some of the top questions that people have about spatulas. Is it safe for non-stick cookware? Yes. This has got a smooth surface. This is acacia wood. Take a look at that closely there. This is a really pretty spoon here, a spatula. Really pretty. Really nice. Okay. Alright, so the smooth acacia wood surface won't scratch non-stick pans. Alright, is it dishwasher safe? No, do not put this in the dishwasher. Hand wash with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. So you don't want to put this beautiful spatula in the dishwasher. How durable is it? It's made from solid acacia wood. It's designed to last for years with proper care. What size is this spatula? 12-inch. 12 inches, ideal length for most cooking tasks like stirring, flipping, and serving. One thing about the 12-inch, you put it in a pan and you can kind of lean it on the side and it shouldn't fall down into the pan, right? So it's, you know, it's big enough to where it won't fall into the pan. Does it have a handle? Yes, it's made with simply one solid piece of acacia wood with a comfortable handle. Eco-friendly. Is it eco-friendly? Yes. Sustainability made and non-toxic, making it a safe alternative to plastic or metal utensils. A beautiful spatula here from acacia wood. You can use this for cooking, flipping eggs, stirring salads, whatever you need it for. A beautiful spatula. So if you are looking for a spatula, you may want to take a look at this one. I'm excited to have this one, and maybe it'll work for you.